A guide to buying and cooking cabbage. Cabbage is at its best during fall and spring's cool weather. Excellent for long storage, versatile, tasty, and healthy, cabbage is a vegetable that ought to be a regular part of every diet. Try it today. Red cabbage versus green cabbage. Red cabbage is probably the most flavorful type of cabbage, and the most healthy. Cabbage in general, but especially red cabbage, offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant help to the body. Red cabbage also contains between 6 and 8 more vitamin C than green cabbage. Green cabbage, however, is still a great source of vitamins K and C. How to buy cabbage. Cabbage should be firm and dense. Although some damage to the outer leaves is acceptable because the inner leaves are often still good, severe damage to outer leaves suggests the inner leaves may also be damaged. Buy the freshest cabbage possible. Like all produce, it begins losing vitamins and minerals soon after it's harvested. How to store cabbage. Cabbage can be stored in a root cellar, or keep it in the refrigerator crisper drawer. In the refrigerator, cabbage keeps for 2 to 3 weeks. Cabbage can also be frozen. First, chop it into strips or small pieces, then blanch for 1 minute. Immediately refresh in a sink of ice water. Package in freezer containers. Alternatively, you can blanch cabbage wedges for 3 minutes, refresh and freeze. How to prepare cabbage. Remove the thick, outer leaves. They are fibrous and tend to be tough. Wash the cabbage leaves under cool running water. Inner leaves are usually protected from dirt and pests, but fertilizers, organic or inorganic, may still be present, so it's wise to wash even the inner leaves. Always use a stainless steel knife when cutting cabbage, since the vegetable may react to carbon steel, making the leaves turn black. How to cook cabbage. To retain most of a cabbage's nutrients, it should be cooked lightly. Try slicing the cabbage into 1/4 pieces. Heat 5 or 6 tablespoons of broth, stock, water, or wine in a stainless steel pan. When the liquid starts bubbling, add the cabbage. Cover for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and allow to sit, covered, for about 2 minutes before serving. Cabbage leaves are also excellent raw, served in salads or sandwiches. Cabbage leaves make a great wrap for meat, rice, and vegetable combos. Try adding chopped or shredded pieces of cabbage to stews and soups. Roast cabbage wedges for an exceptional side dish. Add cabbage to poultry stuffing.